regret of looking this young at 53 years old. This is what happened.
Lemon, kale, and ginger. Each sip of this nutrient-rich juice fuels your body, targets belly fat, and energizes your metabolism. The crisp, hydrating celery flushes toxins, while apples add natural sweetness and fiber to keep you feeling full. Lime and lemon give a zesty kick, boosting digestion and alkalizing your body, while kale floods you with essential vitamins and minerals. The final touch? Ginger brings a spicy warmth that revs up your metabolism and kicks fat burning into high gear. Say goodbye to bloating and hello to a flatter stomach with our 5-day green power juice solution. The ultimate blend for a refreshed, leaner you. Unlock a slimmer, healthier days with our green.
Thank you for joining me. Please don't forget to subscribe.